As mentioned earlier, the compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. And if the system doesn't work because the compressor is not working, what does one do? Now we have to check for the compressor. There are three possible outcomes. One is the compressor is burnt out. The second thing is that it is mechanically stuck. And the third thing is there is no voltage at the compressor. Now we have to analytically check the compressor working by taking resistance readings at the terminals. It could either be a single phase compressor or a three phase compressor. If it is a three phase compressor, the resistance between any of the two terminals will be the same. For a single phase compressor, if you take the resistance readings between each of the three terminals, the sum of any two terminals will equal to the third.
Check the windings of the AC compressor with test lamp and multimeter. Required tools: multimeter, test cords, test board, and a test lamp. Equipment: a window AC. Check the terminals of the compressor with the test lamp.
Switch off the compressor if it is in on position. Remove the compressor terminal cover. Remove the terminal wires and label it. Test the test lamp and plug it to the test board. On the test lamp switch and touch the leads to check lamp. Touch the test lamp lead to compressor C terminal and other to S terminal. If the bulb will give less glow, the start winding is in good condition. If the start winding is open, that is no continuity, the bulb will not glow. If it is short, it will glow bright. Remove the test lamp from S and touch it to R terminal. If the bulb will give bright glow, the run winding is good. If it is not, the running winding is open.
Check the terminals of compressor with multimeter.
Fix black lead of multimeter in common point and red lead at range point. Set the multimeter knob to ohm scale. Put the black lead on any one of the terminal. Touch the red lead on the compressor body. When the multimeter shows any value, there is a chance of the compressor is grounded. Continue checking of winding resistance across other terminals like C and S, C and R, R and S. Compare the resistance values with the manufacturer's data. Here I am going to talk about the airflow in a window air conditioning machine. In air conditioning, we normally control three aspects: the temperature, the humidity, and the airflow. Now, by controlling all these three parameters, we give a comfort condition to the people within that space. In this, the airflow is one of the most critical in air conditioning. Just imagine if you were in a AC room and you have a blast of air coming, you're going to feel shuddering, you're going to feel a cold. Or if you are in an AC room and there is no much movement, again you're not going to be comfortable. So it is important that you have a certain amount of waft or flow of air around you. To maintain this waft of flow of air, what is it that is required from the machine? Let's say we have a 1 ton air conditioning unit. A window air conditioner 1 ton should give close to 300 cubic feet per minute of air. This kind of airflow will give a throw. A throw, I mean, is the air from the grill to the last point where the air comes to more or less a standstill. That should be close to 10 to 15 feet.